morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. This week has been really slow and my only trade for this week was on Wednesday. Hopefully things speed up. Pre-market looks good, triple Q and SPY gapping up and so does Tesla. Could be a bull trap, not sure whether the markets would move higher or not. But as of now, we have a clear uptrend. Going into market open, I'm bullish, but I'll wait for the first few minutes to see how the markets react and then define my trades based on that. We do have around 10 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching SPY. Planning for 2 ads. Stop would be high of this candle. Didn't get it. Don't want to chase. That was the opportunity. It didn't come to my level. Missed it. We have a bit of good price action today. It's not giving me an entry. Watching carefully. Finding resistance around 396 now. Really struggling to make a rebound. I may look to add around the EMA this time. Place an order on 450. Cancelling for now. Not getting any trades that I like. I was looking for a bigger rebound, but today may not be my day. Watching carefully. Not ready to add. $530 I got in. Giving it some time. Trying to get out for 540. Out for now. Because I got in a bit early. Should have got in around the EMA, but got in a bit early, so I had to pay the price for that. Wow. Had I timed my entry better, I could have rode this move, but it is what it is. So frustrating. I think I should not be continuing to trade with this kind of emotion, so I'll wrap it up and call it a day. So that would be it. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.